Hi, in this session, we are going to work on electronic payments. In the last three sessions, we worked on prepayments, quick and manual payments, and automatic payments. Now we are going to work on electronic payments. So the steps that we are going to do, I have noted it. We will validate like creating payment method, payment document, payment process profile, create invoice, and issue quick payment to it. These are the steps that we are going to do. So we already created the payment method, payment document, payment process profile for us earlier. So we will just review them and then we will create an invoice and we issue a quick payment in electronic payment method format. I'm going back to the instance. Let us review the setups. It will be like a refresh of what we have done earlier. Let us just review them before we create invoice and we issue payment to it. So we created check and electronic payment methods. We'll review the electronic payment method. This is the electronic payment method and we enabled it usage rules. We enabled it for payables, receivables and cash management. And there are no validations and bills payable. We unchecked it and the additional information. This was one we created. Now let us review payment document. Payment document will be at bank account level. So I'll go to the bank account. Yeah, so for the SM1 bank account that we have created, we added two payment documents. One is for check, another is for electronic payment method. So let us review the electronic payment document. So if you see the main important point here is for electronic payments, the format should be electronic format. US NACHA generic format is one of the electronic formats and payment document category is electronic payments. And we gave some check details. So we are good on this, right? So we are just reviewing it and closing. And the next setup we want to review is payment process profile that we have created. SM1 electronic payment process profile. Yeah, so we have for this payment process profile, we assign the payment document as SM1 electronic payment document that we have just reviewed, and processing type is electronic. And payment methods, this is for all. uh, I gave one specific disbursement account. And under payment file, we have selected accompanying letter format, and these will be generated when we do the electronic payment. This accompanying letter is like a cover letter that will be sent to the bank. And yeah, and then going to reporting, here we selected the payment file register format and separate remittance advice. A remittance advice is something which will be sent as an acknowledgement to the supplier when we initiate the electronic payment. When that is completed, it will be sent to the supplier. I'm saving and closing it. Then create invoice. So I have already created one invoice. Let's reuse that. Let me go back to the invoice quickly. This is the invoice that I have created for $500. And if you see the status, it is validated, approved, accounted, but this is not paid. We are trying to pay this invoice in electronic format way. Now we are going to create the payment for the invoice 7009. It is SM1 payments, SM1 business unit, supplier. And this is a, there is no harm in this error. Bank account is SM1 bank account. This is SM1 payment process profile. We are taking electronic. We have reviewed this payment process profile. And payment document is SM1 electronic payment document. We have selecting the invoice for $500 and save. So it is giving me an error. The value document payee branch number is required. So I'm working on this thing. It is related to some remit to account, which we need to make some setups. So I just want to show how the electronic payment process works, and it is stopping me with this error. Give me some time, I'll work on this error and then I'll come back to you. Basically, if there is no error, this will get submitted and it will submit few standard process like file payment file formatting, and then one concurrent program to send the acknowledgement to the supplier, and one concurrent program to send the electronic data to the bank. So let me work on this, solve this error, and come back to you and show it again. Yeah, thank you.